Okay, good morning dear children. In previous video we learned the role of in mathematics. Okay, so through some examples we verified in mathematics of represents what it represents, which mathematical operation it represents multiplication. Of represents multiplication. Clear? Wherever you see the word of, instead of that of, in simplification put the sign multiplication. Clear? So these are the some applications of this of. Okay, very interesting. Yes, observe the diagrams carefully. There are three diagrams A, B and C. Related to these three, they given some questions. Okay, this is exercise 2.2, question number 4. Shade. See the first one. Shade. Half. 1/2 means what? Half. Half of circles in box. Okay. Shade half of circles in box. So how many circles? How many number of circles we have to shade in this box? Yes. For dear children, first count number of circles in the box. How many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 circles. Total. How many circles are there in the box? 12 circles. Out of 12, we have to shade some circles. That is given. Shade half of circles in the box. How many circles are there? 12. So what is the half of 12? 6. Obviously, how many circles we have to shade? 6 circles we have to shade. Or use that concept of represents multiplication. So half means 1/2. Half means multiplication. Circles in the box. What is the total number of circles in the box? 12. What is the half of 12? Just multiply. 12 1 ja 12. Keeping the denominator as this. 2 1 ja 2, 6 ja. So 6 divided by 1 is 6. So number of circles we have to shade in the box are 6 circles we have to shade. Let's shade that 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? Okay. Related to this diagram B, there is a box. There are some triangles. What these are? Triangles. What are they shade? Shade 2/3 of the triangles in the box. First count number of triangles in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 triangles. How many triangles are there in the box? Totally 9 triangles are there. Out of 9, how much we have to shade? Here they said 2/3 of the triangles. That is 2/3 of triangles we have to shade. That is 2/3 half. That half represents multiplication. So instead of this half, write multiplication. Triangles. How many triangles are there in the box? 9 triangles now. So write here 9. Then we learn to multiply fraction by a whole number. Multiply. So multiply this whole number with the numerator of the fraction. Clear? So 9 into 2 or 2 into 9. How much? 18 by 3. 3 divides 18. 3 how much? 18. 3 6 ja. So 3 1 ja, 3 6 ja. Then it is 6 by 1. What is the value of 6 divided by 1? This is equal to 6 circle, 6 triangles. We have to shade. So, dear children, 2/3 of triangles means 2/3 of 9, which means we have to shade 6 triangles. 2 by 3 of means multiplication triangles. Total number of triangles 9. So this is equals to 6. Then shade 9 triangles. Sorry, 6 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what? 6. Clear? See the third one. Very interesting. Shade 3 divided by 5 of the squares in the box. First count. How many squares are there in the box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total squares in the box. How many? 15. Thus, out of 15, we shade 3 divided by 5 of total squares in the boxes. So that is 3 by 5 of the squares in box, which means 3 divided by 5 of means what? Multiplication. Put the multiplication symbol of the squares in the box. Total number of squares in the box 15. So right here 15. So then simplify. 15 3 ja 45. Keeping the denominator as it is. Sorry, it is 5. 5 1 ja 5. 9 ja 45. 9 divided by 1 is 9. So how many circles? Sorry, how many squares we have to shade? 9 squares. That is shade 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? Okay. So this is about application of. So dear children, draw these diagrams in your pair notes, write the questions and share the portions according to the given questions. Pause the video, write this now. Now I will come back right now. Okay, dear children, we move into the fifth main. Find 1 by 2 of 24 and as well as we have to find 1 by 2 of 46. And after this we find 2 by 3 of 18. Not only for this, we find 2 by 3 of 27 also. And now I will solve these two. And C and D are for your homework. Yes, okay. Keep in your mind that of represents multiplication. Okay. Now, see. First take this. A first one, half of 24. Think generally. There are 24 rupees. What is the half of 24 rupees? 12 rupees. Okay? This we do by some mathematical steps. Okay? See, half of that represents multiplication. So instead of this, we put multiplication symbol. Then 24. Okay? So 2 1 ja 2 12. Okay, or this is the multiplication of fraction by a whole number. To multiply a fraction by a whole number, multiply that whole number with the numerator of the fraction, keeping the denominator as it is. That is 24 into 1 or 1 into 24, 24, keeping the denominator as it is. Write this denominator as it is. Then simplify. So 2 1 jar, 2 how much is 24? 2 1 jar 2, 2 how much is 4? 2 2 jar. So then 12 divided by 1 means 12. Okay. So then what is the half or 1 by 2 of 24 is how much? 12. Clear? Then see this, for the same we find this second one also. What is that? 46. So half of 46. What is the half of 46? We have, suppose assume that we have 46 bananas. What is the half of 46 bananas? 23 bananas. Okay, do in other way here. That is half of represents multiplication. So 46 as it is. Clear? So then 46 into 1 is 46, keeping the denominator 2 as it is. So divide 46 by 2. So that is 2 how much are 4? 2 2 jar. 2 how much is 6? 2 3 jar. 2 1 jar. 2 1 jar 2. 2 23 jar 46. So what is the answer? 23 by 1. 23 by 1. 23 divided by 1 means 23. Okay. What is the 1 by 2 of 26? 23. Or half of 46 is 23. Okay. Fine. Now take this second one. B. First for 18. 2 by 3 of 18. 2/3 of 18. What is its value? You have to find. Don't worry. 2 by 3 of means multiplication into 18. Then multiply. 18 2 ja 36. Keeping the denominator 3 as it is. Cancel it. 3 1 ja 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 how much is 6? 3 12 ja. 3 1 ja 3. 3 12 ja 36. 12 divided by 1 is what? 12. So 2 by 3 of 18 is how much? 12. Okay. Do for 27. So that is second one. Half of 27. So half of means multiplication. 27. Okay. Then 27 1 ja 27 divided by 2. What is the half of 27? Yes. Okay. Do the division process. Divide 27 by 2. 2 1 ja 2. 0. Take 7. 2 which is near to 7. 6. 2 3 ja 6. 7 minus 6 1. Continue the division process. Put a decimal. Right here 0. 2 how much is 10? 2 5 ja 10. So and divide 27 by 2. That is same as 13.5. So the half of 27 is 13.5. Or generally, if you have 27 rupees in your pocket, what is the half of 27 rupees? Just think about this. 27 rupees we have, half of 27 rupees. So clearly that is 13.5 rupees. In this way we use the concept of. Understood? These are the applications of. So means these are nothing but multiplication of a fraction by a whole number or whole number by a fraction. So understood? Clear? Okay. Dear children, pause the video, write these answers and do these in your rough book. Okay? Right. Okay, dear children, see the next one. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. Okay, this is the case of multiplication of a whole number by a mixed fraction, multiplication of a whole number by mixed fraction, multiplication of mixed fraction by whole number. Yes, so to multiply mixed fraction by a whole number, first convert that mixed fraction into improper fraction, then multiply. Okay, now see how we will do. We were discussed in the previous videos, so recall that. First write this whole number as it is 3 into, convert it into improper fraction, that is 3 5 ja 15, 15 plus 1 16 divided by 5. Okay, then multiply. So we multiply this whole number with the numerator of the fraction. 3 into 16, how much? Or 16 into 3. What is the answer? 48. 16 into 3, 48, or 3 into 16, 48. Then keeping the denominator 5 as it is. Then write this answer in mixed fraction. Express as a mixed fraction. So what is the denominator? 5. Right, as it is. Which is near to 48 in the fifth table? Yes. Read the fifth table. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 5 8 6 ja 30, 5 7 ja 35, 5 8 ja 40, 5 9 ja 45. Okay, obviously 5 into 9, 45. So near to 48 is 45 in fifth table. How much? 5 9 ja 45, no? So 5 how much of 45? 5 9 ja. Write that 9 in whole number place. But here numerator is 48. To get to 48, how much number we should add it to this 45? 45 plus how much is equal to 48? Yes, 45 plus 3. So write that 3 on the numerator. 5 9 ja 45. 45 plus 3 is 48. Clear? So do the same for the second one. See that second one. Write this 5 as it is. Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 into 6, 24. 24 plus 3, 27 divided by 4. Clear? Okay. Then multiply 5 into the numerator. 5 into 27 or 27 into 5. Both sound same. 27 5 5 7 ja 35. 5 2 ja 10 plus 3 135. So 5 to 27 is 135. Write it on the numerator, keeping the denominator 4 as it is. But what they said, convert the result into a mixed fraction. Okay. So now see what happens. Divide. I said one formula to convert fraction into mixed fraction. Here we should write D. This is quotient place. This is remainder place. Start the division process. Divide 135 by 4. Take 2 digit. 12 it is. 4 how much? 13. 13 is not there in 4. So which is near to 13? 12. So 4 3 is 12. 3 minus 2 1 0. Bring down the next number. Which is near to 15? Again it is 4 3 is 12. 5 minus 2 3. This is 0. This is remainder. This is quotient. This is division. So write the answer. So Q is there, no? We should write 33. R, that is remainder 3 by D, that is 4. This is conversion of fraction into mixed fraction. Clear? How I did? Do the same for the third one. That is, first convert it into improper fraction. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Divided by 4 into 6. So multiply this whole number with the numerator. Just tell me what is the product of 13 into 6. Or 13, 6 ja, 6 3 ja 18, 6 1 ja 6 plus 1 7. 78 divided by 4. Yes, 36 are how much? 78. Then write it in simplest form. So 2 divides both. 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja 6. Yes, how much remains? 1 remains. 18 becomes 2. How much 18? 2 9s. Yes, we are left with numerator 39 and denominator as 2. Again convert this into improper fraction. Sorry, mixed fraction. Q R D. Start the division process. Divide 39 by 2. 2 1 ja 2. 3 minus 2 1. Bring the next number. 2 9 ja 18. Say 9 minus 8 is 1 0. This is remainder. This is quotient. This is division. So write quotient as 19. Remainder as 1. Divided by divisor as 2. So the mixed fraction form of 39 by 2 is 19 whole 1 by 2. 2 19 is 38 plus 1 39 divided by 2. Clear? So do the same. Dear children, pause the video, write the solutions, and these are for your homework. C, D, F. Clear? Okay, write it now. Okay, dear children, see the last question of this exercise. So, 8th one they deleted. So, Karnataka School Education Board, Bangalore, due to this effect of corona, so children are unable to go to school. So that's why they reduced 30% of your syllabus. So in this topic, in exercise 2.2, that 8th sum, and in exercise 2.1, they deleted. 1 minute, I will tell you that. In exercise 2.1, in exercise 2.1, they deleted that the third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one. Yes, so don't bother about these questions. As per syllabus committee of Karnataka School Secondary Education Board, they decided to delete these sums in this topic. Clear? So according to them, we follow the syllabus. So see, this is the last question of this exercise. Find 1 by 2 of 2 whole 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 of 4 whole 2 by 9. Okay. Now I will tell you how to solve. Follow that steps and do this in your homework. Okay. Now find half of 2 whole 3 by 4. Yes. Okay. That is the first one. First one. Half of 2 whole 3 by 4. Before going to find, first convert this improper fraction, mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then put half. I already said half represents multiplication. See, follow the rules. 1 by 2 half represents multiplication. Put multiplication sign. Then convert this into improper fraction. That will earn 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus 3 11 divided by 4. Okay, then multiply. In this case, multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Okay, 1 into 11, how much? 11. 2 into 4, how much? 8. So the half of 2 whole 3 by 4 is 11 divided by 8. Or you can write this answer in mixed fraction, that is 8, or you can write the same answer in another way, 8 mixed fraction, which is near to 11 in 8th table, 8 only. 8 1 ja 8. To get 11, how much we should add to that 8? 3. Okay, write that 3 on the numerator. 11 by 8 or 1 whole 3 divided by 8. Clear? Or this also we have to calculate. That is half of 4 whole 2 by 9. First, half means write half as this. Half means multiplication. 4 9 ja 36. 36 plus 2, 38 divided by 9. Okay. Then multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 1 into 38, 38. 2 into 9, how much? 18. So simplify it. 2 divides both. That is 2 9 ja 18. Then 2 1 ja 2. Or 3 1 remains. 18 becomes 2, how much 18? 2 9 ja 18. So now it is 19 by 9. Again write it in mixed fraction or directly. That is write 9 as denominator, which is near to 19 in 9th table. 18. 9 2 ja 18 no. So write that 2 in whole number place. So 9 2 ja 18. To get 19, how much we should add to 18? 1 no. So write that 1 on the numerator. Clear, dear children? So this is about exercise 2.2. Okay. In our next video, we learned again multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Okay. Write this. Bye.